Saffron-marinated fillets of sea bream, a nice, sweet, delicate flavour, and the skin, once it's crisp, is delicious.
Score. Olive oil. Saffron.
Place the fillets skin side up, then just leave that to marinate in the fridge.
Sweet and sour peppers. Slice.
The thinner they are, the quicker they cook.
Hot pan. Olive oil. Season.
And the secret now is to start the caramelisation.
Sugar. Red wine vinegar.
That gives it its sour flavour. Out onto a plate.
Cool. Bream.
The most exciting thing about the sea bream now is that it's changed colour.
Hot pan.
Skin side down. Lovely.
Season.
Whilst that's in the pan, take your peppers,
Basil.
and all you do is just mix that fresh basil through those wonderful sweet and sour peppers.
Baste. Olive oil.
And that has to be the perfect way of eating sea bream with sweet and sour peppers.
Saffron marinated bream with sweet and sour peppers. Done.